Asamoah akasa dia to dwase na adedan kwakufu adu Ghana mampanyin owani suade hunu pa na saa anisuade hunu no ene watumi agina so a wode nhyehyeye eye program zodo no agu akwan so ede boa Ghanafo wose Ghanafo enum suo entwen ope esanse eniema ede better days ewani mu pa.
As you are aware, we had an economy with a debt overhang on the verge of collapse from energy debts, arrears to contractors and service providers, and weak regulation of the financial sector. Persistent doomsday had brought the large informal sector to its knees. Interest rates were skyrocketing whilst the cedi was coming down. Burdensome nuisance taxes were crippling small and micro-scale operators. Galamsey was in free fall and the country was fast running out of edible water for human consumption. With a strong will and prudent management, the fundamentals are all now pointed in the right direction. Indeed, the NPP commends the president for being bold and decisive. No doubt, tackling some of the ills we inherited has resulted in short-term difficulties for some of the people. And we will hide from that fact. We know, for example, that measures to streamline and move artisanal mining onto a legal plane, including law reform, is yet to take full effect. And therefore, the communities where illegal mining, Galamsey used to dominate before, are heavily impacted by the reforms. We know that for a fact. We know that there are some Ghanaians who have been impacted in the short term negatively by these reforms, which in the medium to long term will benefit a greater majority of Ghanaians. And we are working very hard to get up to speed to resolve those difficulties. We are looking at development from bottom up. Indeed, our policies are making districts the center of development with 1D, 1F, one district, one warehouse, one constituency, one ambulance, one village, one dam, and all the other things that are district centered. So we want political parties to get involved at local level and build their capacity to influence development at that level. We are viable change agents. We, the New Patriotic Party, believe we have contributed immensely to where we are now, and we don't think at all that parties are incapable of leading this country. We are not a mere election machine. We are different from the NDC. We are ready. Our motto is development in freedom.